In this month's video, we'll be looking at gifting, last chance, and then gift card based messaging. We'll end the video with our tip of the month on some last minute segmentation tips for you. I'm Kestrel Lemon, your senior strategist over here at Seguno Software, so let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's take a look at the calendar. Up first, we've got the last little bit of November, sometimes called Cyber Week. This week and the week following it are prime spots for gifting-based messages and advertising any in-person or in-store pop-up shops that you might be having. The third week of December will be when the last shipping dates typically fall. This is when you'd want to make sure to warn your audience of deadlines. Once your last shipping date hits, it's time to start talking about gift cards. And after that, we're going to the end of the year where it's end of the year sales and Boxing Day sales. Up first, let's talk about gifting. Gifting means big business during the holiday. Take some time to build out your gift collections to help your audience find the right product. Then create emails around those collections. These are gift guide messages. And when done right, these gift guide messages show real value to the audience and generate more revenue than regular messages. You can create gift guides by price point. So let's say $50 or less, $25 or less, or by the type of person the gift guide is good for. So like moms, dads, sons, daughters. Or you can really dig into your niche. You could even make them based on something like zodiac sign, if that's appropriate for you. Now, let's take a look at an example here from Terrain. This gift guide is all about winter warmer gifts. So it's all about cozy things. So we've got a big chimenea, we've got a mug that holds warm liquid, we've got a blankie, and then a matching table that could complete the set. So this gives people ideas on what they should be purchasing, which is great because we know that they've already put aside budget to purchase something for this time of year. But people aren't just buying gifts for others. No. They are also self-gifting. This could be a splurge while they're shopping for others, or because they have a special event coming up, so they want a new holiday dress or new holiday shoes. Here's an example from Living Proof. I love this example because they know a major pain point for a lot of people during this time of year is they're going to go somewhere nicer for some kind of holiday event and they want to look nice. And here's how they can use Living Proof products to pull off different hairstyles during the holiday season. It really is like a peanut butter and jelly message. It goes together so well. One of the next really big themes of the month is around urgency to get gifts to their final destination on time. Take a look at this example from American Giant, warning that there's 24 hours left to shop. First up, this graphic is really cute and also very versatile. So you could do 48 hours, 24 hours, 12 hours. You're just changing around the graphic a little bit. And then the biggest text you see here is still time to shop. And then they give you a deadline for when that time runs out. They also then list it really clear in plain text, black and white. Here's what you need to do in order to get free shipping and also in order to get it there on time. Finally, after your last day to ship has passed, then it's time to start promoting digital gifts like gift cards. While yes, it's true, many people like to shop early, and we see that every year. People are shopping earlier and earlier. It is also just as true that there are plenty of late shoppers who need last minute gifts as well. And for those last minute shoppers, that's why we've got gift cards. And so look at this message from Dormify, need a last minute gift, let's get it. In here, they're strictly focusing on the gift card. They're not showing off any other product. This is all focused on buy this gift card. It could be good for anybody, great for the holiday season, great for many other reasons. Finally, it's time for the tip of the month. I know you're super busy and slammed, so this month's tip of the month is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's gonna make total sense to you. First, go double check when your last days to ship are and make sure you have a message scheduled to promote that deadline. Next, segment your local audience and let them know if you have local delivery that allows for them to shop even later. The segment you would build could look like this. Customer city contains, and then your city. It's just that easy. All right, that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.